But we definitely know that there are some progressive people in Congress who are pushing for drug prices to be lower. Yeah, that's right. And one of the only advanced countries in the universal healthcare system continues to have drug prices soar. That's right here in the US. Unfortunately, again, there are some leaders in Congress who are doing something. Check out this headline here. Yeah, that's courtesy of Congresswoman from Washington's 7th District, Jayapal. Well, her and Warren are calling on Patent Office to take critical steps to lower drug prices and fight big pharma patent abuse. My God, would that be smart if it actually comes to pass? But I definitely appreciate this effort. Here's a reporting from Bloomberg Law on their call to action. Senator Elizabeth Warren and Pramila Jayapal sent a letter Thursday to Kathi Vidal, director of the US Patent and Trademark Office, again calling on the agency to fight high drug prices by cracking down on what they see as anti-competitive practices in pharmaceutical companies. Warren and Jayapal wrote to the Patent Office asking it to take similar action in December 2022 and June 2021. And here's what some of that letter said. Patients continue to suffer as prescription drug manufacturers jack up prices and rake in billions in profits. We have yet to see the USPTO take substantial steps to exercise its existing administrative authorities to help lower drug prices, encourage competition, and increase innovation. Yes, that is an incredible part about it. The fact that if you lower prices, you'll have greater access for more of the population. But on top of that, it'd be really great to have more innovation out there. And so this joint letter here, well, it calls for a number of significant steps. Check this out. So to revise the Patent and Trademark Office's practices of granting obvious patents by rejecting additional obvious patents filed by pharmaceutical companies for a single drug product, regardless of the disclaimers. Stipulate that patents tied together by terminal disclaimers should all stand or fall together when challenged. Raise filing fees, limit the number of time periods, continuation applications, require applicants to disclose the time of the filing, reverse policies, establish an office dedicated to public transparency, all these great things that I would definitely love to see. But I would like to think that maybe capitalism has a problem with this, especially when it's big pharma. Mondale, do you think that's the problem?
Yeah, I think these two amazing legislators, one in the Senate and one in the House, in Warren and Jayapal, are doing Lord's work. However, the Lord don't run America. The devil that we call capitalism and corporations do, and we're not gonna see this pass, unfortunately, because these are rules that are already in place that the patent office could use to do something about this. And the fact that they've not done anything about it lets us know that nothing's gonna change. As long as we have as much money and influence for pharmaceutical corporations in our politics, this will not become the law of the land.
No, it won't. But again, as we have discussed, the fact is that if we actually had a society that took care of us, that uplifted its people, that pay its taxes and keep us in a position, then it would not necessarily be the case. We'd be like those great Nordic countries that have universal health care and all the wonderful things that we should be entitled to, especially given how hard we work and how much money we generate. But that's okay. As we all know, drug companies love to exploit millions of people. That is something that is glaring. And all the examples of the drug manufacturers really just jacking up prices, like Moderna was ready to hike its price of its vaccine, which I kind of wish it would have because I have stock in Moderna, but that's not the point. We're all working together. Anyway, but we know the government was paying $26 a pop for it. And they wanted to put it up to between 110 with 130 for everyday Americans. That's wild. Thanks to Senator Bernie Sanders, who chairs the Senate Health Committee. Well, that didn't happen. Moderna ended up having to cancel its plans to hike vaccine prices after Sanders invited the CEO to testify. That's the kind of change we need, and we need more individuals out there like that.